all the boys watching it right now. So let me introduce to everybody.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, I like that.
Big Mac, Roy Z,
What up, Big
Doobie,
Mac?
Madge,
Hey, what up,
LT,
boys?
little kid Leno,
Hey, little kid.
Tom Wilson.
Son of a... Tom Wilson.
They call you
Hey,
son of
we're
a
big fans of
bitch.
yours.
Hey, we have another guy.
What's up?
Yeah, what's up, guys? Jesus,
Dude.
Hey, guys.
Frankenstein, Big Al.
Hey, what's up, son? Big Al, what up?
Yeah. Bull,
What about the pilot?
What's up, Bull?
Ratty,
Oh, good. Good.
Doggy,
The lad.
Hey, doggy.
Captain America, John Carlson right here.
Yeah. USA.
They're screaming USA. What about Canada? What about Canada?
Boo.
Gee.
Go Canada. Go
Oh,
Canada.
okay. And always on his phone, businessman Lars Eller.
Lord.
Hey, what's up, businessman? Good to see you, handsome.
The boys.
Moose Lewis. And
Oh,
hey,
that's the one.
Here we go, boys.
What's up, dude?
what's up,
Good
guys?
thumbs up
What's
there.
up, guys?
Here we
Hey,
go.
Ovi, thank you for introducing us to your team. You guys are really good. You guys are a really good team this year.